Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Are IKEA beds the same size as UK beds? No. IKEA beds tend to follow European standard sizes, which differ from UK standard sizes. While some sizes, like single beds, might be similar, others, such as double and king sizes, can have notable differences in dimensions. IKEA's double beds, for instance, are typically 140 by 200 centimeters, whereas UK standard double beds are 135 by 190 centimeters. This means when buying an IKEA bed, paying attention to mattress and bedding compatibility is crucial to ensure they fit the frame properly.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.